Turn a discarded pallet into a functional outdoor shower with just a little DIY magic. After cleaning, sanding, and sealing the wood, simply attach a shower head and connect it to your hose. Secure the pallet to a wall, add a gravel base for drainage, and you're set. It's an eco-friendly, budget-conscious way to cool down after gardening or a long summer day. Painting with mittens might seem weird, but honestly, it's a game changer. The way the fabric moves creates this soft, hazy blend that brushes just can't mimic. Plus, it's fast. You can knock out broad strokes in a heartbeat. There's something so satisfying about the swipe, smudge, soften flow. It's easy, it's fun, and the end result looks incredibly high-end. Who knew a few extra ladders would be such a game changer? Instead of lugging one around and constantly resetting it, we just staged a few where they were needed most. That one shift saved us a ton of hassle and unnecessary climbing. The work flowed, the crew didn't burn out, and we knocked the job out ahead of schedule. Physics is really just solving problems through curiosity. He gives it a light tap, just enough to let the material flow and spread. It's a minor tweak, but it speeds everything up, instantly simplifying a messy job. Replacing trailer decking doesn't have to mean drilling hundreds of holes. If you're working on a heavy-duty twin-axle trailer, this guide covers a screw-free, slide-in technique that saves hours. I'll walk you through the tools and safety tips needed to get a clean, rugged finish without the usual headache. Building your own mini crane is a simple way to make setting blocks a lot easier. Using just a few common materials, you can put this together quickly to improve safety and precision on the job. It's a great addition to any home project where you need a little extra muscle. Looking for a touch of luxury without the construction dust? Metallic leafing is a total game changer for your walls. By applying ultra-thin metal sheets to your surfaces, you get a reflective glow that paint just can't mimic. If you have a steady hand and a little patience, you can turn a plain room into a custom masterpiece. It's a classic craft that brings a polished, designer feel to any home. You don't have to end a ceiling project covered in paint splatters. By using a simple umbrella shield to catch drips before they fall, you can breeze through the job without the cleanup headache. Simply attach it near your roller, or hold it overhead to keep the paint where it belongs, on the ceiling, not on you.